Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to note when you make an error, a mistake in your practice. Often for people, that's a catalyst for some moments of consternation, frustration, exclamation, offers an opportunity to shift their mood and their focus. And so what I'd invite you to do is to go through your practice. Oh, did the wrong move, or I had the wrong quality in my shoulder, or I got the breath backwards, or whatever. When you notice a mistake in your form, rather than pressing on or skipping past it, come into a space and place of meditation and attempt to give yourself to it, not because it's going to fix things or shift things again, but try and give yourself to that place and state, the shape of meditation, that practice. For a time. I don't know how much time, but for a time. And then later, when you return to practice, maybe you'll notice a shift. Maybe you'll notice sort of the return of enthusiasm for the place of the mistake, and you can get after it again. That'll be great. That'll be fine. But the idea is just to not allow the slip up to shift you without your consent. Rather, choose to do another practice. Give yourself to another practice. So, thank you. I appreciate you. And when's the last time that you meditated with somebody else? Maybe offer to share some time that way with them. Love.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.